My name is Jared Todd, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to apply your pattern to the steel to get ready to profile the blade. How I apply my patterns is after I sketch out my pattern and get it as accurately as possible to what I want. It's a spray adhesive. It's like liquid Scotch tape. It's in a can. I spray it to the back of the piece of paper that has my pattern on the other side. And then I stick it on the steel so that's stuck on there pretty good. And then what I do to waterproof the paper so that it doesn't wear away while I'm grinding is I found that in the hardware store there's a wood hardener made by Minowick that I just put a couple coats on here and it hardens it and seals it from water, because the knife does get hot when I grind it, and so I need to dip it in the water so that it can cool it down. Some people don't use this type of technique. They get this, it's a blue type of paint. It's a layout paint. They paint it on the piece of steel that they want, then they'll put their pattern down, and then they'll use a metal scribe or a sharp object, and they'll scribe through the paint onto the steel. Some prefer that other than using the paper method. I find that the paper method works the best for me because once I get my pattern drawn out, I go to the copy center and I make as many copies as I need. The disadvantage of it is that it will wear off if you rub on it too hard, but it comes right off when you're done with your knife. You can peel it off. Or some people just take a marker and they'll just draw their pattern right on the steel, just by hand. However you want to do it, there's no wrong way. I've just found that this way works the best for what I need.